The vet enters the room and you have to suddenly pretend you are a normal well-adjusted cat who hasn't been trying to parkour off the cabinetry for the last 10 minutes.
Yeah.
The foreman might be small, but he is very strict about ground clearance. That is a 10-minute bark for a non-compliant blade height. One more violation and he is taking his nap on the actual accelerator. Your golden retriever realizes Top 10 reasons to never leave your cat alone with your expensive hardware. This dog is clearly powered by springs and the promise of a single yogurt lick. My man is hitting a vertical leap that would make an NBA scout weep all for a snack. Forget Your past life as a backup dancer finally catches up with you at the local park. This guy is literally one treat away from a world tour. Everyone else is just there for the cardio, but you're trying to act like you're on a diet, but your willpower is exactly 2 inches long. The edible hits and you realize you have been staring at the wall in your litter box for 45 minutes. You forget you are a cat and try out for the local cricket team. High-intensity training. Your dog hears the bag of treats open from 3 rooms away and decides to break the sound barrier. Precise moment your cat realizes the floor is a treadmill and the door is a brick wall. Your human stops working and you have to check if they are still under warranty. That moment when you realize you are a husky and the rules of physics, gates, and common sense simply do not apply to you. I did not choose the jailbreak life, the jailbreak life chose me. Would you like me to write a few more variations? The ultimate proof that cats are actually liquid. He did not slide, he poured himself down that thing. Only to realize at the bottom that his dignity was still at the top. dog is the real MVP, but you still treat him like a joystick. First rule of Cat Club is we do not talk about why I have a cup on my head. Gravity won this round, but I am already planning my revenge. Thought he was a shark until the first wave hit, and now he is just a very wet loaf of bread.
We're halfway there. Huh? Oh, we're halfway there.
The service at this restaurant is...
Yeah.
You realize the meeting could have been an email, but you already put on your fancy fur coat. I'm beginning to think this caddy is being paid by the other team to keep me over par. You want the snack, but the snack is attached to your own back. The struggle is real and it is circular. A metaphor for my life and my goals. Legend has it he is still
Okay.
whack-a-mole, but with higher stakes and sharper claws. I am definitely losing this round. The house is finally quiet for 5 minutes, so you... Awkward moment when your ambition for snacks is high, but you're... You accidentally activate the double jump in a glitchy RPG. Calculations were made, but the risk was underestimated. You want to show your dog the wonders of winter.